So today we are doing a mukbang. So this is the black bean noodle, and then this is the spicy chicken curry noodle, and then this is the spicy chicken ramen. Alright, time to in.
What?
Can you stop? Are you drinking wine?
Are you 20?
So it's good. I don't know. It's like there's like no flavor, but
Good though.
yeah, it's like savory. It has 12 grams of protein. Brandon,
Huh?
it has 12 grams of protein. It has 12 grams of protein.
Yeah.
This. Because it's black bean. Okay, time to move on to chicken curry when you're ready.
No, I won't keep eating this one.
Brand, we have to try every single one before we get full.
Let me finish my bowl real quick.
Was really spicy. I heard that this was really spicy, so let's see.
Damn.
Brandon.
Look at that.
There.
Right.
Okay. Let's go. It's not bad.
No, I can't really taste the spiciness.
Wait, I heard that like it'll kick in later.
I don't really feel it.
Brandon.
You feeling your tongue?
A little
Oh.
tingle.
Oh, fuck. I'm sorry.
It's already hitting.
I can't, bro.
I told you. Little miss. I can't even taste it.
I got it, bro.
Very nice.
Yeah, give me some cheese, bro. Oh, hell no.
I'm kind of chilling, but what is with you?
What, you want mine?
No? This is some cheese, Mexican blend. I'm sweating. How are you, Brennan?
I'm so in love with it. I'm good. I'm good.
You're good.
I'm good. I'm alright.
I like this a lot more.
If it's not spicy, bro.
Yeah.
What?
I'm just sniffling because. Did you just eat cheese?
Yeah. No. I'm gonna fall.
Did you fart? Sorry. I heard you say my fault, and I thought you said my fault.
I would never fall on camera.
My nose is running. Are you seeing it?
You sweating, bro.
Yeah, but it's like not spicy. I'm just sweating.
I'll take at least like a strand.
You won't notice the difference because this one's already spicy.
Great.
It tastes different, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Than the other one. The other one tastes like curry, duh, but this one's.
I'm enduring it, bro. I feel it, but I'm just. Ah, it's me. Excuse me. I'm sorry.
I'm getting full too.
Sure. Bro, you're sweating. Oh.
Am I sweating? I can't tell. Yeah, my nose sweats a lot.
My sweater?
No, because you're like, I don't even know how I'm related to him, but he looks nothing like me. He looks nothing like me. And he also has no hair.
What?
Like, you have no hair. Like you said, you barely have armpit hair.
Oh, yeah.
That's not normal. And you have...
I'm growing some leg hair.
Some. And you don't look like me. What else? I forgot what else. Yeah, I don't know how I'm related to you. But apparently we're related, so.
Related, bro.
Yeah.
It's the blood.
Oh, and he doesn't sweat. Do you sweat?
I mean, I do.
But not, like, you're not even sweating through your nose. I don't know.
I mean, if it's crazy spicy, then I'm a sweat. I'm a sweater. But this is okay. I'm not dying here.
Yeah.
If it was 2 times spicy though,
Yeah, that would have been
Thumbs up,
really
bro.
bad.
I would.
Yeah.
I would ran. Get some more milk, bro.
This one looks so good. Like, it looks, yeah. Okay, I think that's it. Should we conclude the video?
Some cheese.
Yeah, I need some cheese too. Like, that cheese is good. This was our mukbang. Brandon, stop trying to force the burp out.
I can feel it.
Stop it. You're just, imagine you're just trying to burp and you just start throwing up all over the table. Like, okay. I'm gonna eat a little bit of this and then we're gonna end the video.